Hey y'all, Bones here with Cajun RNEWBBQ. Hope you're doing fine. I'm making it myself. So today, video is for the Crazy Ed's Barbecue Cook-Off. We're doing up a Cajun style pork roast on the Pit Boss Classic. We're gonna use Cajun 180s, the original blend, and their Cajun Trinity, which also has celery, bell pepper, garlic, onions, the works. So let's go ahead and get started. First up, chopping up an onion. Chopping in half. Peel off the outer layer. Cut off the end. And start slicing it up. Now, pour it into the bottom of the pan. I've got my pork roast right here. We're going to go ahead and start making some slices on there. Now, make 5 deep pockets. I'm going to stick whole garlic cloves into those pockets. I'm going to take some horseradish now. Spread that all around. Take the original blend. Now we're going to go ahead and go with the Trinity. We're going to pour just a little bit of water in the bottom of this pan to help the onions steep. Now we're going to go ahead and get our grill up to temp. We're looking for a temperature in the grill for 250 degrees. All right, we're going to go ahead and start up our Pit Boss. Go ahead and let all that white smoke out. And then once that happens, go ahead and shut the lid down and get it up to 250 degrees. We're going to go ahead and put it on the grill now. We're at 250 degrees. Go ahead and put our probe in. Meat is stirring at 56 degrees. Okay, we've got to the stall. So, go ahead. Put on some aluminum foil wrap. All right, we just hit temp. Let it sit for a little while, let it cool down. Let's go ahead and take a look. Oh, we looking real good. Go ahead, I'm just going to go ahead and pull this all apart. I'm going to keep this garlic too. Oh, it's coming apart nicely. Definitely got a nice little smoke ring to it. Just comes right off the bone. Look at that bone. Just clean. And here we have it. We've got a nice big chunk of pulled pork roast. Came right off the bone. I could smell all that Cajun spices right off of it. Let's go ahead for that taste test. Let's go with a piece with the outside bark. Oh yeah. You can just taste all the flavors from the bell peppers and the onion and the cayenne pepper. Just hits you right in the back of the throat. Tastes oh so good. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you. Have a good day.